Hi friends, my name is Madhav More from APCO English Academy. Today we are going to see a second video of COVID-19 words. So let's take a start. The first word is forehead thermometer. It means a device that measures body temperature through hovering near or contact with the forehead rather than traditional insertion. Second word is herd immunity. It means herd immunity is an indirect form of protection from an infectious disease that occurs when a certain percentage of population becomes immune either because they have been ill or recovered or because they have been vaccinated. Example, we vaccinate the masses causing herd immunity to protect the relatively few who would otherwise become ill or suffer devastating consequences. Next word is incubation. It means the period between when a person is first exposed to a virus and when they develop symptoms is known as incubation period. Example number first, incubation period of the bird flu in humans is still not yet known clearly. The second example is the coronavirus has an incubation period of 2 weeks. The next word is lockdown. It means an emergency situation in which people are not allowed to freely enter, leave, or move around in a building or area because of danger. Example, police imposed an lockdown in the building until the shooter could be stopped. The second example is the entire country was under complete lockdown last year. Next word is physical distancing or social distancing. It is the deliberate increase of physical space between people to keep them from spreading illness. Example number first, example of first, experts recommend to keep at least 6 feet social distancing from other people to reduce your risk of catching the coronavirus. Example number 2, kindly maintain social distancing to avoid spreading the disease. Next word is PPE. It means personal protective equipment. It is an equipment worn by healthcare workers to reduce exposure to the coronavirus. It includes goggles or a disposable full face shield, a respirator known as N95 mask, a gown that covers their clothes, and clean gloves. Example number first, doctors are wearing personal protective equipment before checking the patients. Example number 2, personal protective equipment is essential in this task. Next word is respirator. It means it is a device that protects a person from inhaling dangerous substances such as chemicals or infectious particles. Example, young man is in critical condition and remains on a respirator at a hospital. Next word is N95 mask. It is a respiratory mask. It is a type of a respirator most typically used to protect against COVID-19, which can filter out small virus particles from the air. It is a tight fitting mask that creates a facial seal which will provides two-way protection, filtering the air entering the and existing. Example, you will need a respirator mask for this purpose. Next example, corona warriors need a respirator mask at all time. Next word is antigen. Antigens are found on the surface of cells, viruses and bacteria. An antigen causes your immune system to make antibodies against it. Next word is asymptomatic. It means a person that is not showing any signs of having a disease despite being infected. Example, if a patient is asymptomatic, precautionary steps must be taken. Next word is droplet transmission. It means bacteria or viruses travel within small drops of liquid from a respiratory tract. These droplets are produced by coughing, sneezing, and singing, or taking, or can be inhaled by nose or land on the mouth or eyes of a person nearby. Example for this, a person can be infected from corona by droplet transmission. Screening, an initial process to determine if a person has a disease, usually involving taking their temperature and asking follow-up questions if they have fever. Example, first time they did the screening for coronavirus at the railway station. Second example is the tour will provide health screening and information on heart disease. Next word is respiratory disease. A disease that affects the lungs and other parts of the body involved with breathing. Coronavirus is a respiratory disease. Example, the old man suffers from respiratory diseases. Next word is isolation. It means the practice of keeping someone who is determined to have a contagious disease apart from people other than care providers, as in a hospital isolation ward. Example is the man remains hospitalized and both patients are under isolation. Next word is transmission rate. It means number of people who will be infected by any one person with the particular disease. Example, reducing the transmission rate sufficiently would halt epidemics in their path. Next word is mortality rate. It means number of deaths caused by a disease divided by number of confirmed cases. Example, the result has been a 25% decrease in infant mortality rate. Next word is underlying condition. It means an existing health problem that impairs an individual's resistance to another disorder or disease. Example, 4 patients were reported to have died from underlying condition. Next word is symptoms. It means physical signs indicating the presence of a disease or other illness. Example, the primary symptoms of coronavirus are fever, cough and shortness of breath. Next word is direct transmission. It means the transmission of a disease through direct or direct physical contact, such as shaking hands between an infected person and another, or when the spray produced by an infected person's cough or sneeze reaches another's nose, mouth and eyes. Example, direct transmission of the virus from American crows to humans is unheard of and unlikely. Next word is indirect transmission. It means transmission of a disease through physical contact with contaminated surfaces such as door handles or elevator buttons. Example, many shared objects are capable of transmitting the virus via indirect transmission. Second word is, we all know that coronavirus can infect through indirect transmission. Next word is asymptomatic transmission. It means the transmission of a virus by people who are infected but don't realize it because they don't have any symptoms. Example, coronavirus can be transmitted asymptomatically. Next word is immunity power. Resistance to or protection against a specified disease or power to resist infection, especially as a result of antibody formation. Example, our immunity power must be strong to fight the diseases like corona. Next word is plasma donor. The donation or sale of blood plasma for the use in medical or other products. Example, many recovered patients have become plasma donor these days. Next word is corona warrior. COVID warriors are all public healthcare providers including community health workers and who may have to be the direct contact or care of COVID-19 patients. Example, corona warriors are performing their duties from the bottom of their heart. We should always appreciate and thank them. Last word is paramedical staff. It means personnel including all types of professions related to medicine. Example, personnel in the field of nursing, midwifery, sanitation, dental hygienic, pharmacy, physiotherapy, laboratory medicine, therapeutic and exercise, etc. Example is, in these days paramedical staff is working day and night sincerely. So that is the end of second video. So thank you very much.